Though, starting off, winds are out of the north, and we are tracking some much cooler air set to arrive into the region throughout the day today, combining the north wind with quite a bit of cloud cover. We're talking temperatures running about 15 degrees cooler than average for this time of year. There's the American flag. They're blowing in the wind. Again, that wind this morning is starting out of the north. We're behind a cold front now, so we're getting rid of the rain chances as well. So today, a much cooler day. Lower humidity air also moving in. Yesterday, yes, it was cooler than average, but the humidity was still running high. Today, that humidity will take another step back. Will actually continue to decrease here over the next couple of days. So enjoy it, because guys, we're in the early part of August, and this is somewhat unheard of weather for this time of year, and at least it's going to stick around for a few days. Of course, by the end of the week and into the weekend, it will start to feel a little more like summer and a little more like August as well, with some 90s back in the forecast by that point. This morning, still quite a bit of cloud cover lingering around. Some of this cloud cover is somewhat low, so again, kind of a dreary, gloomy start to the day in some spots, but temperatures into southern Illinois now have dropped back into the lower 60s. Harrisburg's at 64. Vienna is currently at 64. Pinckneyville's at 63. Cairo is also at 64 degrees. A little warmer into western Kentucky, where temperatures are generally running into the upper 60s. Right now, Mayfield at 66, Clinton at 66, and Union City is at 68. Caruthersville, Missouri, and the Boot Hills at 67. Poplar Bluff is currently at 66, and Van Buren is currently at 63 degrees. There's the cold front that moved through and actually brought quite a few scattered showers and storms with it yesterday afternoon. Now the rain is out of here this morning. We are tracking that north wind, and this little storm system is going to make its way out of our region. It's going to drag high pressure down from Canada. And again, for August, we don't say many times in August that high pressure is moving in from Canada. And there's the tropical system making its way up the east coast and moving away from our region. But notice just a lot of clouds around. Yes, we are going to see some breaks in the clouds from time to time. Went ahead and called it a partly to mostly cloudy day, though. And I can't completely rule out maybe even a sprinkle or two around this afternoon. Then high pressure starts to build in for Wednesday. A few more peaks of sunshine in here on Wednesday afternoon, but check out some of these temperatures this afternoon. These are highs running into the mid 70s across southern Illinois, further to the south, upper 70s into western Kentucky and southeast Missouri. And then look what happens tonight. We actually drop back into the mid 50s tomorrow morning to wake up. That is near record cold. I don't think we're going to see record breaking cool temperatures tomorrow morning. These are the records, most of those back into the lower 50s, but we're not going to be too far away from it. So again, some very cool weather for this time of year. 76 degrees today for a high temperature. Average this time of year runs about 90. So this is very cool for this time of year. And again, low 60s by midnight. Dew points will drop back into the upper 50s tomorrow. We start to rebound though by the weekend. There's some of that heat and that humidity moving back in by Saturday and Sunday. By Sunday afternoon, high temperature running about 90 and more scattered showers and storms also with that heat and humidity.